We're about to meet Kaitlyn, a Dartmouth, Massachusetts native who came here to study marine, estuarine, and freshwater biology. This nature lover grew up near the coast and has been using her knowledge of animals and ecosystems to rescue and rehabilitate freshwater turtles with a local nonprofit. Kaitlyn, tell us all about it.
Thank you, Alex. Hi, everyone. During my college search, I was looking for strong academics, research opportunities, and a welcoming campus environment. That's why I chose the University of New Hampshire. As a marine, estuarine, and freshwater biology major, UNH allows me to explore my passion for the unknown and marine organisms, opening up endless possibilities. As a top-tier research university, UNH makes it easy to gain hands-on experience and explore your passions. I discovered an interest in animal rehabilitation, which led me to finding a volunteer role at the New Hampshire Turtle Rescue, a nonprofit only minutes away from campus. Being a part of the turtle rescue team has been a really cool experience. While volunteering, I have gained insight into local freshwater turtles and the operations of a rehabilitation facility. This experience has widened my knowledge on topics within my major and sparked new research interests within wildlife rehabilitation. From volunteer roles to internships, UNH's advisors and faculty offer incredible support, helping undergraduates connect with opportunities that get their foot in the door and truly make a difference. UNH offers so many ways to explore your interests. From study abroad programs to hundreds of clubs and on-campus events, there's always something exciting happening. Volunteering at sporting events has shown me the incredible school spirit that thrives here at UNH, showing how vibrant and engaging campus life truly is. The University of New Hampshire has given me so many opportunities. Next semester, I will be studying abroad in Portugal, exploring new courses in language and literature. I'll also gain experience in research here on campus before heading off to graduate school. UNH keeps me excited for what's next. Thank you for hearing my story. Now, let's hear back from Alex.
Wow, I love it. Turtle rescue, school spirit, study abroad in Portugal. You've really made the most of your University of New Hampshire education and everything this vibrant community has to offer. Way to go. Thanks so much, Kaitlyn, and best wishes at grad school.